So you are ready to log in to Smart Futures and start learning about careers. Here's what you need to do. On your iPad, you're going to look for your Specials folder. And in that Specials folder, the Clever app, blue app, big white C should be in there. You're going to tap on that Clever app. And what comes up is your beautiful face. Because when you tap this Clever app, your camera opens and gets ready to scan your QR code. Now, your QR code was stapled right here, right at the end of this arrow, and when you picked up this paper at remote pickup. That is your personal QR code. So you need to scan that code. And the last thing you will do is tap on this SF to enter Smart Futures. So go ahead and log in using the Clever app. When you end up in Smart Futures, I will meet you there.